Welcome to Conversations with,
Jack.
and then this is episode 4 of our
Episode 4?
podcast. Yes.
Wow.
So far,
Episode 4 na.
we're able to do 4 episodes. So ngayon, I have this question na sasagutin namin.
That's that.
What strengths do I bring? What strengths do we bring to our relationship?
Wow, what strengths? Strengths talaga. Kasi madami. Do we bring or do I bring to our relationship? Do you
Yeah,
bring
yeah.
to our relationship?
Ano sa tingin mo?
Sige, ano tayo? Palitan tayo.
Ah.
Kapag basta may maisip. Naisip ko una, hindi naman ako pangit. Nagkagwapo naman ako.
Or siguro, or maybe you could also share what are the strengths that I bring and then I'll share
Yeah,
what are the
pwede. O,
strengths.
diba? Baka mamaya may nakita akong strengths mo na.
Ah.
Or strengths ko
O, pero
na.
ikaw muna personally. What do you think is the strengths you bring in the table?
Okay naman ako.
Hindi, papasok yan. Pasok yan pag may anak na tayo. So, I
Okay
think
na.
that's a strength. Yung itsura, yung looks.
Joke lang. Lakas ng loob. Lakas lang talaga ng loob, guys. Okay. Siguro pagka-independent na rin ako.
So, that's a strength? Yung pagiging independent?
Probably. Kasi,
Independent
parang,
from me?
hindi. Nung sorry. Basta yung sa married life naman
Nasaan
kasi
ka?
natin.
Nasaan ka? Nasa Pilipinas?
Nasa married life naman kasi natin, di ba?
I mean, in this relationship, yeah.
In this relationship.
In this marriage. What strengths do you bring?
Siguro sabi mo naman, bine-verify mo naman na yung
Binavalidate.
binavalidate mo naman na
Yung looks talaga. Gusto mo talaga i-emphasize.
hindi, joke lang. Probably yung pagiging optimistic natin, positivity,
Yeah.
because we see on the greater, side nun, yung positive side, yung light
Or
side.
maybe it's so hard for you to say kasi what are the strengths that you bring.
Yeah, probably ganun. Pero yun, siguro, kasi,
But I would like to validate that si Jet talaga yung, I mean, we have our times na ikaw
Oo,
yung
diba?
positive,
Or-
and I have my own share.
oh,
I mean, sometimes when I'm down, you cheer me up and then you remind me na you get back on track din.
kasi,
Pero si Jet kasi yung, well, syempre for me, madalas ko na-observe yung sarili ko that I get anxious, I worry, and then he corrects me or reminds me na, it's okay, God will provide. We just have to continue pressing on. We just have to
Yeah.
do what we can do. What else?
kaya siguro yun, bakit ganun? Kasi probably sa naging upbringing ko rin during childhood. Kasi there are times na share naman natin na yun, lumaki rin naman talaga kami sa, I mean, hindi middle class, poor talaga na may time hindi kami kumakain ng isang maayos na isang meal sa isang araw. So parang, what I have right now, I am always grateful and I felt na this is way better yung life status ko ngayon kaysa before. So, napagdaanan ko na yung mas mahirap. So, bakit ako ngayon magiging miserable? In fact, tinawid na nga ako ni Lord yun sa mga moments na yun. Ngayon pa ba ako magre-reklamo? Kaya parang siguro, there always na parang, di ba dapat grateful tayo ngayon? Dahil ito pinagdadaanan natin ngayon. Compare naman sa mga napagdaanan. Di ba, how good is our God to lift up to you from that mud. So, hindi naman ngayon, flying. Pero,
Pero medyo syempre,
nakaka-LL na kahit pa. Nakaka-LL. Nakakaluwag-luwag na.
may Christmas tree na
May
siya.
Christmas tree na tayo.
At projector.
Yeah, so,
Ayun.
I think yun yung lagi kong pinagugutan kung bakit pag there are times na negative din naman ako. Pero, God is reminding me,
You've been through worse.
you've been through worse from that.
Oo.
Kaya come on, wag ka na mag-inarte dyan. I validate your feelings, pero tumayo ka dyan.
How about me? What strengths do I bring?
Yan, titingin ka sa camera. Yan.
Ano nga?
Beauty and brain. Yes.
BB.
BB. Wow. Yeah, seriously, ganun. Pero, probably,
Bakit? In what aspect yung brain na
yung brain, oo, kasi siya, very important, di ba? I have heard this from many seminars. Knowledge is power. Joke lang.
Applied knowledge.
Pero, yan siya, when I saw you, yung pa lang during sa single, community natin, I saw you na independent woman ka. Same time, you are intellectual woman. So, I do understand na parang iba yung vibes Iba yung vibes din ng matalino pero
Pero anong sense nun? Anong sense ng inner marriage yung pagiging matalino? I mean,
it
what
is
benefit does it bring into our family?
sobra kasi biruin mo hindi naman tayo medyo pinanganak kahapon kung how we deal things in our married life. Hindi tayo parang sorry for the word. Parang yung lulutang-lutang yung mga gagawin kasi may mga certain knowledge ka na binibring ako, dinadala sa table na ganito paano gawin yan.
Like,
And ako na-amaze ako kasi halimbawa, magaling ka sa sa computation,
okay.
di ba?
Kasi ako ang
CFO.
CFO, Chief Finance Officer of this house.
Yeah.
And you are the CEO.
Yeah.
Because he's the Chief Executive.
Oh, di ba? May positioning
Dahil
kami.
sa kanya po nakapangalan ng bahay.
So, pag inalayas niya, wala siya magagawa kasi ako na pangalan. So, pag siya, ganun talaga. Joke lang. We have heard
So, mas naging matalino ka dun sa part na
Yeah. Pili ko, I'm brighter than you. Joke. Pero seriously, narinig natin yung mga term na yan sa, di ba? The Mendozas. Di ba? Yeah. Anyways, yun. Very important yun na may knowledge kasi hirap naman din. And sobrang na-appreciate ko yung yung mga ganong bagay mo sa married life natin, sa relationship natin. Kasi hindi naman lahat alam ko. And marami kang alam na hindi ko talaga alam. Paano i-deal.
Well, or basically because we have this delegation na I take care of the practical things inside the home, like meal planning, di ba, listahan ng grocery, ano yung bibilhin, tapos the schedule, our personal schedules, and also your
Yan,
work
ako magaling
schedule.
administrative.
Babanggain, ganyan.
Galing.
Tapos also yung mga kailangan bilhin sa bahay, completing
Yeah.
about it,
Yeah.
pagbabangga ng finances, about our needs and wants, even our travels or plans.
Organize ka.
Oh.
Yan.
But I think, ikaw naman is, kumbaga, because you allow me, I think one of the strengths ni Je is he allows me to work on my pace and to work on my strengths. So that's why I will discuss it to him and then he will be the one to ask yung mga bagay that I overlook.
Yeah.
Diba? So, like may mga tanong kami, kunyari may mga na, let's say for example, I discuss him yung finances namin. Oh, Labs, ito yung income mo, ito yung pupuntahan, ganyan. And then these are the pending pa na babayaran, ganyan. And then I would tell him, dahil syempre babae, so yung mga, ako yung nakakakita ng needs sa bahay. And then I would tell him, Labs, I want to buy this, ganyan. Tapos ikaw yung magtatanong na, kaya ba? Yung,
Kailangan na ba yan?
yes, with that simple
Wala ba tayong
question,
magagamit na dahil wala yan?
Oo, na
Wala
pwede
tayong
pa.
magagamit, di mag-work.
na substitute, ganyan. So, kumbaga parang inaano mo ko, you remind me,
Nira-rationalize.
nire-rationalize natin yung mga bagay-bagay na hindi lang basta mag-spend, gano'n. And also, di ba, kapag, syempre, let's say, for example, may mga schedule, syempre, he's my ultimate driver in terms of direction, siya yun dyan. Tapos, pupunta daw dito. So, ano gagawin mo? Di ba, mag-check ka ng maps?
Kasi, yun, very important yun. May mga dadaanan.
Oo.
Along the way ba yan?
Siya yung
Para,
magpa-plan doon.
Teka, medyo malayo yan. Iba, anuhin na natin yan kasi para hindi
Oo.
tayo magpabalik-balik.
So, ikaw yung bahala doon.
ano.
I tell the itinerary and then he will plan out paano yung talon-talon ng one destination to another.
Kasi trabaho ko rin yan.
Yes.
Anyway, meron pa akong I want to comment about you. Ayan. You bring joy din talaga naman sa relationship natin. Many people didn't know that, pero dahil sa nasabi ko ito nung simula.
That I am
Na
joy.
you are a
That's
joy.
sadness.
Sa inside out, you are also joy. Kasi pag you are in the parang comfort, mo rin people, or there are times kapag kapalagayan mo yung tao, di ba? Lumalabas yung joy moment na din. Oo. Saka,
The crazy side of me.
oo. Saka that brings, di ba? Liwanag in the house.
So who are those people that when I get to be around, nakikita mo yung funny side ko? Sino?
Una sa atin, family.
Okay.
Kasi nung nasa demure sa atin. Straight hair, straight stand. So tangkad. Seriously, kasi parang maraming nagkakaroon ng assumption sa'yo sa ganun.
Wrong assumption.
Parang wrong assumption mo.
Because they judge based on the outer.
Iba kasi ang datingan mo. Bukod sa madam ka, sobrang straight.
Because that's how we are people.
Oo, hindi ka yung parang super jolly na tao bigla.
Hindi.
Ganun, pag may mga joke or what. Minsan, parang bine-verify mo pa ko yung joke, matatawa na ba ako dyan? Kaya parang,
baka ma-offend.
oo. Pero, that's sa'yo yung nakita ko. Pero, nung nagkasama na kami ng malimit, pambihira ka lang naman pala to eh. Diba, yung parang ganun. So, family, tapos yung mga close friend mo, yan, sila Mike, sila Jem, yung mga classmate mo ng high school. Doon ko nakikita na, hanggang sa, you are very consistent, paano mo dinadala sa relationship natin. Tapos,
So who makes the jokes?
you do jokes. Yeah.
Okay, so si Jen
Tatawa
naman.
naman ako. Ito pa pala, papansin ko sa iyo, what you bring strength din. One of the strengths mo is yung very affirmative ka.
In what sense?
Kasi sinasabi mo verbally then na yung strength mo, huwag ka panginaan because you can do this, you are not like this. Tapos, mahilig ka magsulat ng letter. Yeah, I always receive it from you.
Sino nagtatago?
Challenge ako. Na dahil isa ikaw ay organizer, tinatago mo na rin. So, di ba?
And then, ginawan kita ng box mo.
Oo, yeah. So, yeah, strength na yan. Pero, yung mga ganong little things,
Mm-mm.
that brings, ano rin, encouragement. Tapos, ano yung very important yun, I think, in a relationship. Sa atin kasi yan, important sa akin yun. Mga appreciate mo, yung salamin ko nga nakalagay doon, ito na, ang baon mo lalabs, galingan mo for today, for Jesus, I love you, di ba? Someone saw it, dun sa ano, I think, hindi ko alam kung sila boss ba yun o ano.
And I mean, I'm the half of the pie, and si Jay yung half of the pie, which I will never be complete if wala siya, diba? So, I mean, he doesn't complete me because we're both complete individuals when we got married, but definitely, like, example, in the house naman, syempre may mga gusto kong aesthetics, and then I would tell, gusto ko ng bookshelf. So, he would make time for that. He would make isip of yung mga kailangan. O, hindi kailangan natin ng ganito, loves. Hindi ko alam. Basta ang alam ko lang, I have this idea na I want a bookshelf. And I have this idea na gusto ko ganito, kunyari yung ilaw sa labas. So, hindi ko alam kung paano siya ilalagay. Basta I just have this idea na I want this place to look like this. Ako yung imagination, pero siya yung execution. So, hindi mangyayari into reality yung mga bagay-bagay if hindi ginagawa ng asawa ko, hindi mo ginagawa. Di ba yung mga bagay, like example, yan, the cabinet, this one, at the back, siya din ang gumawa niya, di ba? So, kaya ko naman siguro gawin yan, pero siguro abutin ako ng isang araw, 2 araw para matapos. So, it helps na siya yung nag-aaral ng manual,
Na Chinese.
Oo, ng Chinese.
Hindi, we love Chinese people.
Pinifigure
Pero
out
hindi
niya.
ko naiintindihan talaga yung sulat. Like English eh.
Ganon. So, siya yung nag-execute ng part. And also, you're very supportive. You're very supportive. Si Jay yung tipong, I have this idea. I have so many ideas kasi. So, sasabihin ko sa kanya, pero siya yung taga-balance eh. Ganyan. Paano yung ganito, love? So, and sometimes, at first, no, there are circumstances na parang naiinis ako kasi nga parang, dahil tinatanong mo ako, so parang, ayaw mo, ganun. Pero, for you, you just really want me to be in the reality, but also, nandun pa rin yung idealistic side, but in the reality side also. Kumbaga, combination of that. Hindi yung tipong super idealistic lang, out of nowhere. So, also, yung humility. I think strength mo din yun.
Humble ba?
Oo naman. Though minsan, syempre, we have flaws
Yeah.
na, alam mo na, yung spirito natin talagang parang gustong umalpas at magwala at magmayabang sa mundo ng mga bagay-bagay. Pero generally speaking, I think yung humility mo, and yung siya kasi yung, I mean, both of us kasi has been exposed to sales, so we know how to relate to people. Plus at the same time, I have this background of psychology, so medyo I know kung paano. Pero hindi ko talaga totally natutunan yung pag-connect to people through college. It was because of the involvement sa sales and dealing with a lot of trainings, ganyan. So, pareho naman tayo na marunong makipag-usap sa tao. Pero si Je, siya yung instant na tipong ma-amaze na lang ako na hindi naman niya kilala yun, pero nakakausap niya na. And then parang everything under the sun na yung pwedeng maging topic kapag iniwan kita dun sa taong yun, di ba? Ganyan, na tipong, ganyan, tapos hindi niya maalala yung pangalan, pero kilala siya ng tao na yun. Tapos parang, siya naman, hindi siya makakalata ng tao na hindi niya naaalala yung name ng person na yun. Pero he would just make the person feel very welcome. And, parang they are really that close. Ganyan. So, he has that kind of spirit. So,
Paano mahalata ng tao na di ko maalala ang pangalan niya?
paano,
Yeah, mo na.
paano mahalata? Hindi naman nila tatanungin eh.
Yeah.
So, pero hindi nila nakahalata.
Ano nga ako din talaga. Hindi ko figure out. Anyways, yeah.
And also, you are very, very easy to be with, but I think there's perfect term for that pa. Very, very harmless, very friendly. Very friendly. Kasi, alam to ng mga friends ko, mga girlfriends ko, na tipong, siguro, all of my party and all of my engagement, nandun si Jay. Pero he would just be on one side, pero time to time, he would be able to connect to these people. Hindi lang dahil nasa sales kayo, pero kasi yun ata yung personality mo talaga na you get to be easy to hang around with. So, kaya tipong, alam mo yun, kahit na nandyan naman siya, pero hindi mga awkward yung mga friends ko na girls, ganyan. Tapos parang, okay lang, ganun. So, pero hindi rin siya yung intruder na tipong, magiging siya na yung spotlight in the occasion.
Ay, kuya, bida-bida.
Oo, ganun.
Hindi mo na ako always Jollibee.
Yes. So, you know how to, when to talk and when to be silent. Ganyan. I think that's your strength. Pero of course, sometimes may topak din po ang asawa ko, no? Pag wala siya sa mood, so alam ko po yun. So, yeah. What else?
Sa'yo, one of the, I appreciate also, strength mo is, may, ano ba to? yung decision mo na, ano kaya, parang, alam mo yun, mayroon ka ng decision, mayroon kang tinatayo ang, you are standing on, what you believe in, kunyari may decision,
Prinsipyo.
principle, pero, you are also willing, or you are also entertaining yung, halimbawa, point of view. Tapos, one of your strength talaga is yung listening skills mo. Hindi ka basta-basta nagkakaroon ng emotional na pero dun sa kunyari may statement, hindi ka agad emotional dyan. Iba-validate mo pa yun. There are times na pag nagtatanong ka, that is only for validation. Na walang any personal emotional feelings, pero you just wanted to know that ano ba yung perspective ko, bakit ganito ako, bakit ganito yung statement ko, bakit ganito yung nararamdaman ko. Tapos in that way, dahil magaling kang mag-listen, ang ganda ng respond mo dun sa tao. Halimbawa ako,
Kasing ganda din.
kaya ka beauty and brain. Yes. Sabi yun, kung ginagawa nitong dalawang to. Nagbubulahan. Tingin sa yun, for those people na kilala si Den, ganun talaga siya. Na, siguro dahil, ako, kapag ba yun ng psychologist? Hindi nabasa niyo yung isip namin. Lagi ko siya sinasabi na nagsimula ka. Pero no, you just have that good listening skills. And then, once you got the information, you objectively, pinaprocess yun. Then, i-respond mo doon sa tao na dapat niyang marinig.
I think it's more of,
Kasi hindi lahat ganun eh. Hindi lahat ganun magaling mag-listen.
hindi siguro, I think it's part of, talagang wisdom din and blessing ng Holy Spirit yun. Which I actually also get some of the things from you. Diba? Kasi ikaw naman yung tipong, kapag si Jay, kapag nandun siya sa mode na he really wants to process things, ganyan. Hinihimay-himay niya talaga yung mga, emosyon ko, ganyan. So, which, kumbaga parang sa akin, in-impart mo yun, so I'm just adopting it, ganyan. So, yun. I learned it from you as well.
Wow. Okay. Back to me. Sorry. Eto, ang galing. Ano ka? Early adapter ka. Wow,
Ano yung early adapter?
Word.
What a word?
What a word. Gamit namin sa work. And,
Fast learner.
Fast learner yun, in essence.
Okay.
Sa mga, mga ibang term yun, early adapter. Ibig sabihin kasi, nung nagsisimula kami sa married life namin, ano ang kayang lutuin ng asawa ko?
Itlog.
Itlog. Ako talaga technically nagluluto, alam yung mga lutong bahay for her. But then again,
adobo, sinigang,
dahil siyempre,
you have to work.
She is a wife. And she really wanted to know that. Ang galing niya. As in, inaral mo kung paano magluto. Na to the point na mula that on our first months until now 4 years na tayo.
Pero maraming sablay.
Maraming sablay nung simula. Pero you keep on
Until
doing. Hindi ka na hindi ka yung parang, ano ba yan? Hindi ko na kaya nabis yung kawali. Hindi naman ganun. You keep on striving kasi gusto mo siyang gawin and masaya ka sa ginagawa. Kaya even si mama, na parang lagi sinasabi sa'yo, kinakwento mo pa, paano kaya ito mabubuhay itong anak ko na to? Puro libro lang ang kasama. Yun lang yata ang alam niya sa buhay. Even yung sinaing na galit si Papa sa kanya, nagsaing sa rice cooker nang walang tubig. Paano kaya mabubuhay itong anak ko?
Hindi, sa kaldero. Kaya natutuwa talaga.
Akala ko rice cooker pa yun.
Naging talaga parang yung
Diba?
biko ng itim.
Pero, gulat si mga kapatid niya, si mama, and the people, mga friends, Diyan, dala mo ko nito, ang sarap nito, magdala ko nitong pasta, magdala ko ng ganito, wow.
Sana nagbibigay din sila pang ingredient.
Yeah, oo nga, di ba? Ang mamahal na kaya ng shrimp, ng
Hindi, it's a joy.
Pero ayun, fast learner ka, you know how to do it, you just need also time.
I think yun siya. Subjective or,
Sige,
kumbaga, depending on the thing yung pagiging fast learner. Kasi ikaw din naman fast learner ka in a sense na kapag gusto mo talaga yung isang bagay. Kunyari, yung mga kinukumpany natin, yun nga sabi mo, Chinese, di ba? So, hindi mo talaga maintindihan siya. Pero kaya ni Jen na talaga yan, i-figure out somewhat siguro because you have a background when it comes to carpentry, ganyan. So, kumbaga, somewhat, kahit hindi mo nagigets, kinakapa mo, I think dito to. Hindi siya madali. I mean, for others, it would take hours and hours.
Hirap din ako doon, syempre.
Siya ang gumawa ng 3 cabinet namin sa kitchen, this one, and then yung nasa taas, bookshelf,
sa ano na yun.
lahat ng mga
Yung sa
namin
taas
rack.
ng cabinet, sa taas ng
Yung white,
Ganun din ako.
yung rack, ganyan. So, ayun. So, kaya kumbaga, somewhat parang din siya. Parang depending on
Skills din eh.
depending on the subject matter, yung pagiging fast learner, ganyan. Kasi, turuan mo ko ng IT, medyo siguro yung utak ko, buwan-buwan bago ko siya mag-get.
So, anong tamang term doon? Yung parang...
I mean, tama naman, pero also ikaw, I'm just giving it back to you na, ka din, fast learner.
Isa pa sa ko. To move on, organize, malinis ka sa bahay. Basta din yun, di ba? Organize, malinis sa bahay. And lagi ko sinasabi, anong lilinisin mo, malinis na. Kaya dapat magkalat lang tayo. Magdagdag tayo ng lilinisin.
Sometimes ganun siya. Pag busy siya. I mean, if he's in the mode of working and working and working. Pero, for the benefits of our listener, si Jay, pag wala siyang work, house husband siya literal. Siya ang naglalaba, nagsasampay, naghahalaman. Siya po kasi ang green thumb sa amin. So, kung tamad pa akong asawa sa weekend, siya na talaga ang magluluto at ang mag-aayos ng mga dadalhin namin. Pero dahil responsable naman tayo, so hinahatian natin siya ng trabaho. Pero pag tinatamad po talaga ako maglaba, siya ang naglalaba. Kaso ngayon, parang sinagad niya na po yung paglalaba niya. Nilaban niya yung puti, nilaban niya yung tricolor, nilaban niya na po yung mga underwear before siya
Ito nga,
ma-dislocate.
may arm sling pa ako. Hindi ko rin.
Before siya, ma-aksidente. Okay. So, yun.
Favorite kong linisin ay CR.
Yes. Kaya maputi ang CR namin. So, kung hindi maputi ang CR namin at nagbisita kayo, busy ang
Sabihin
kasama.
nila, CR rebellion. Kaya mo ka na, may bata
Di
po
pa po.
kami, mayroon po kami sauna, ganun po hindi. May charger mayroon ako ng screen.
Not true. False information. Everything's false information.
Yeah.
And I think it's, each other's strengths. Si Je, I'm a morning person, pero he's an early riser.
Early rise.
O kapag alam niya yung schedule niya within the day, maaga talaga siyang babangon. Ganyan. And madaming beses na siya ang mas maagang bumabangon sa aming dalawa.
Hmm.
So, and then when I wake up, and then bababa na ako dito, ganun. What I really love about my husband is, naka-audio na yung Bible, or may pinapakinggan siyang podcast, ganyan.
So Christian.
I mean, also, as a wife, it encouraged me, it reminds me na, start my day with God, ganyan. Kasi ako, normally, ang autopilot ko is, I have to cook because my husband will leave, ganyan, so I have to move fast.
Yeah. Not so perfectly executed. There are times naman na pag nalilate na. Pero, yun kailangan i-practice talaga. Kailangan ilaban. Kaya kailangan maging habit mo siya and maging discipline mo siya.
Yeah.
Kasi, very important siya.
Mm-mm.
Ano ba? What can we, add on? Baka may nakalimutan tayo. Pero kayo ba guys? Baka meron kayong...
Meron silang masasabi sa'yo.
Hindi, joke lang. O sa mga nakakakilala sa amin.
And then, why are we doing this? I mean, it's very important as husbands and wife to acknowledge each other's
Yeah.
strengths.
Mhm.
Kasi yun nga I think one time sinabi natin to sa group of friends natin that, marriage is not about winning. It's not about I win, he wins. Diba? It's about being a good team player with each other. Diba? Being able to do things together so that we will accomplish, diba, yung goal that we have in mind, that we have set, and most especially, yung purpose na binigay sa atin ni Lord is ma-execute natin and ma-fulfill natin siya. So, it's not about who's winning, na mas, it's more of Jen, siya yung susunod, or it's si Den, she's the master, she's the boss, hindi ganun. It's, the purpose, I think, is why it's important to acknowledge each other's strengths so that we'll be able to work more harmoniously. Diba?
Our
Kasi,
relationship.
yes. I mean, kumbaga parang, we're trying to do things na yung kanyari, yung pag-garden, tinatry ko din naman siya.
Oo.
Pero ikaw talaga yung mas magaling doon. Yung pagkukumpuni, kaya ko rin naman siyang gawin. Pero kumbaga parang, when it comes to delegation of tasks, alam na namin instantly sino yung mas gagawa ng which of which. So, kumbaga parang, let's say for example, pag wala kaming makakain na within the week, there has no one to blame but me because it's my responsibility. So, which, it helps us to work sa marriage life natin na hindi mo na iniisip yun. I take care of that. And then, you take care of things naman. Hindi ko na kailangang isipin pa. Diba? So kumbaga, hindi rin naman siya, it's a matter of bilangan na, I do this and then you do this.
Yeah.
Diba? Pero it's about na, okay, this is my part,
And it's my part.
that is your part, and then we contribute together for the benefit of each other, of our relationship, diba? And then we achieve the goal.
Yeah. And to add on, nasabi mo na, but to elaborate pa. Very important kasi we have learned this also. Very important talaga that we do acknowledge and appreciate one another strength. Kung ano yung nabibring natin sa relationship. Kasi one of the nagiging reason din ng hindi pagkakaintindihan ng mag-asawa is we have heard it, we have also known it to our parents, no, na kasi hindi mo in-acknowledge na ganito ako, ganyan. Parang nade-defrag, wala man ng affirmation to one another. And yung parang mga ganung bagay, yung mga simple things that you can tell to your spouse.
Mga small things.
Small things yan, pero big thing yan. You might not know how you made the day of your spouse na, kamusta ka today? How are you today? How are you so far? Oh, nice. Galing mo dyan sa part niyan. Nakaka-boost up yun, na nakaka-remind, okay, thank you, love, for reminding me na ganun pala ako. So, yun siya.
Kasi, making a relationship or a marriage thrive is we really have to get rid of the familiarity, no? And be able to consistently grow in our affirmation and appreciation. Hindi
Yeah.
kasi porket kasal na tayo, we're licensed to, just assume that he's my husband, he's supposed to do things for me.
Yeah.
He's my wife. He's my wife and then he's supposed to do this and that and all. And then nawawala na yung spark, nawawala na yung kumaga parang good things that we get to highlight na, oh, ito nga pala yung nagagawa mo. So, yeah.
Yeah.
So, I think that's it.
Yeah, right. If baka mamaya kayo guys, kayo hindi na mag-asawa, no? Meron kayo mga something na strength na sinishare nyo sa mga spouse nyo. Yeah, why not share it to the comment box, di ba? And we will heart that. Yun lang. Thank you guys. We hope that you have learned also kung meron man and nakatulong ito sa inyo, nagpasaya ng araw nyo. Yeah, why not? Share, like, and subscribe.
Thank
Nahiya
you.
pa. Thank you guys.
See you in our next podcast.